What's up, Wolfpack fam? It's your boy Kid back at it again. Hope everyone is doing great. So we have a song request by Just Incredible. Shout out to you, homie. This one is A Flock of Seagulls. I ran so far away. This is the video for it. Let's make sure it's at the best quality. Yeah, 480p. And let's get it, boys and girls. Let's go. Wow. Holy macaroni here, boys and girls. I got two words. For you guys that come to mind when listening to this. One of them, it's not no DX thing. We're not doing no DX, guys. Flawless. And what a tune. Two things off that we love. Synth wave. Holy crap. This may be the best thing we've heard in a long time. I love the simplicity of the video. The vocal, magnificent. magnificent vocals. I don't know the main guy in the Reds name, so fill me in on that. But wow, beautiful voice. I loved all the instruments behind there. The drumming, the piano, freaking amazing. Oh man, I might be talking a little louder, and I always forget to tell you guys that I always play these type of music in general a little louder because I want to hear it the best way possible. So too late to say, but yeah, just adjust accordingly. Too late. Whoops, fail on my part. Shame me. But yeah, I absolutely love this song. Holy crap, is that thing catchy? Um, I'm going to say this right now. I'm going to listen to this probably about another 100 times in a row. I won't do it for the reaction, but it's that good. I want to hear more of it. I want to hear more songs of them. Like my interest level, soon as that beat kind of went from here. We're starting off here. Just went all the way up to the sky because damn, that just put me in the great good vibes, and that is the beauty, that is the joy, that is the absolute joy of music. I couldn't stop fidgeting and moving my legs, moving my hands. So I don't know how much my mic picks up on that, and if it's like super loud, my bad. But that's just I couldn't help it. So it made me want to move. It made me want to just freaking jam out. I want to get up off my seat, pretty much. That's how good it was. So this we haven't done too many music stuff lately, but this got to be one of the best songs we ever checked out on the channel. So I'm so excited for this one. Justin, you were right. I was gonna love this song as soon as I heard of it. Wow, just flawless. This is like one of the best songs, flawless from start to finish, and we want to hear more. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for checking out. Remember, guys, if you want some songs to be reacted to, please link it below. Link it better for me so we get the right version that you guys want to see. Just so I don't get no lyric video or whatever, we get the actual version that you guys want to see. So none of that is possible without you all. So thank you so much for all the love, support. Love you all. The pieces. Be safe, be well, and we'll see you next time. Love you all. Peace.